Hello scrapbookers, I'm Megan and I am back today with a fun and different video. I say that all the time, don't I? I'm sorry. I need to get new phrases. Anyway, you can see I'm standing right next to Christmas. Fun times, right? Anyway, so I thought I would do kind of a room tour for you today. It is going to be a before shot. So my room is super messy. Ask Hannah, my room is always messy. But I thought I would do a before shot so you guys who have messy rooms too don't feel like you're alone, because I oftentimes feel like I'm alone. Hannah's room always seems so clean to me. And I am not a clean scrapbooker. I am super messy. I'm messy everywhere. Like my house always looks so messy. So anyway, I thought I would do a little video, an overlook. I've already kind of started cleaning, so it's a little bit cleaner than it was a couple days ago, but I'm gonna turn you around and show you my room. Are you prepared? It's scary. Okay, so this is the craziness. I am standing at my door, and this is what you see when you walk into my room. It's just so messy. So let's just get started. Okay, so over here I have just a junk area. I just throw everything there that I'm working on. And you can also see that I have my laptop and I have an extra screen. We got that for like $4 at a thrift store. Super nice to have an extra screen because I can watch TV while I'm working on stuff, or while I'm scrapbooking. This is my scrapbooking desk. I can watch TV or, you know, whatever else I want to do. So this was originally supposed to be my sewing area. I have actually moved all of my sewing stuff upstairs, except for this. I still have this, which has scraps and things in it. And then also like my thread and then a bunch of electronics down there. And you can see my sewing machine is back there. So over here I have photos and then just a pile of crap, some more crap. This is a quilt that I need to fix for my son. This is a bunch of layouts. This isn't even half of the layouts that I need to put away, but this is a bunch of layouts I've worked on recently. I've got all of my machines over here, and then also I keep my 2017 album here so that I can add to it and easily access it. It often is not easily accessible though. As you can see, I have layouts on top of it. I also have my Silhouette Curio, my Mint, ribbon scraps, and my Canon selfie. Over here, this is where the door is. I keep some wrapping papers there. And then you can see I got this at, I think it was Michael's maybe? And it was like 70% off. I think I got it on Black Friday last year. No, I think it was 2 years ago. And it was like $10 normally, I think $40. It was quite a good deal. Then this corner is kind of my unused corner. I have a scanner up there. This is filled with stuff. I don't even think whatever it says on there is in there. This is a box of crap. Like, well, okay, it's not really crap. It's just stuff that I need to give away. And I haven't given it away yet because I thought maybe I can give it to my boys, because my boys are starting to want to scrapbook and stuff. And so I thought maybe that could be their box. This is where I keep stuff I don't really use. I'll go through all of this when I do my final walkthrough, but this is right next to the door, and I keep all of my kits here that I have put together or I'm working on. I apologize if you can hear my kids out in the living room. They're playing a video game together, which I thought would be the perfect time for me to do this video. Apparently not, because Tinian is screaming. And then down here, hi Maxie! Piper didn't want to come in my room, did she? Huh, pups? She wanted to stay out there with the crazy boys. Anyway, so I have papers here and here. This is all of my Project Life kits and things. In here I have old Studio Calico kits, and this is just random papers. This is a bunch of stuff that I got at the American Crafts Warehouse, and it's an album, like all the stuff I want to use for my my Scrap Gals Retreat album. So I've got, don't eat it! No, Max! He likes to eat anything and everything. So it says Scrap Gals Retreat. So I have everything all ready and printed. I just haven't done it yet. You can see that this is my mixed media cart. This is just the Recollections knockoff of the IKEA Raskog cart. So I keep all of my sprays up top with my stencils and watercolors, and then all my shimmers, dazzlers, and stuff there. The bottom shelf is just kind of a collect-all. This is just stuff. I recently cleaned out this bottom shelf, and everything that didn't fit there went here. So I need to clean all that. This is just craziness. I just kind of shoved stuff in here when I was moving in, and haven't really gone through it. That's all my ribbon. And then, crazy enough, I have more Christmas paper. This is all Christmas paper, you guys. I don't know about you. Please tell me I'm not the only one that seriously has like 100 rolls of Christmas paper. Then you can see that I have all of my layouts up there. Seriously, I think that's like 300 layouts. It's crazy. And then some cute photos. Up here is just a bunch of stuff. I do keep all of the packaging that I receive. So I think I have packaging in here and in there and in there. Yeah, I'm crazy. Okay, this is also just a collect-all up here. I have 2 shelves up here that are just filled with stuff, and I think I'm gonna try to spend this month and go through it and give some of it away, because I don't think I've even touched this in the 11 months that we've lived in this house. Then you can see I do have these. Oh my goodness, my kids. I apologize. Hold on. Okay, sorry. I had to pause to yell at my children. Am I the only one that is ready for school to start? Oh my goodness. By the time I post this, I imagine school will be going for at least a month, because I imagine it's probably going to take me a month to get this video up. But, so I have some blankets and things here. I need to just clean that stuff off. I do want to hang stuff up here. I'm not really sure what I'm going to hang up there though. I have all of my ink pads here. I don't actually have very many, but what I do have I put there. I store my 6x6 pads right here next to my desk so that I can grab them easily. And then I've just got junk here, so I need to get rid of all of that. That is actually another scanner. That one's big, and I kind of want to get rid of it since I found a new scanner. I keep all of my bags and things, like these are scrapbooking retreat bags. Keep those there. My texture boutique and my Cuttlebug there. All my silhouette stuff is in there. And this is my selfie drawer. I keep all my ink and everything in there. And let's see, here is my desk. It's actually not that messy right now. It was so messy before. But I will do like an in-depth walkthrough of my room once it's clean, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys a brief little overview of my desk. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video.